Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anita, and should I show you guys what I packed for her? I don't know. I feel like telling you is good enough. No? You want to see? I'll go get the bag. Okay, so in her bag, I will be taking a burp cloth. This is just I believe I got this from Amazon. They come in a pack of like 6, 8, 12, something like that. And these are very good for a spit up, you know, just to throw over your shoulder if you want to burp them or whatever. I do love using these, and they are so lightweight and thin that you don't have to worry about it being too thick on you, on the baby, on anybody. Then I have a receiving blanket. This is just if people want to pass her around. But I probably don't have no visitors this go around. Y'all can see me at home. Do I sound mean or what? Y'all let me know in the comments. Anyways, this is the receiving blanket. The hospital will give you receiving blankets, but theirs are kind of thick, and you know that standard blue, white, and red blanket that all hospitals give you. That's what it is. No blankets because, like I said, it is 90 degrees here already in the south, and listen, she got enough heat. So this is one of those sleepers that I'm going to be bringing. This is the newborn one, and it just says little sister on it. And if you notice, this does have the zippers. You want to make sure that you have the zipper style, not the buttons. That's annoying for me, you, and the baby. Zipper style. And this is the two-way zipper, so I really do like this style. You can unzip it from the top or the bottom, given whichever position you might need. Great. And these sleepers do come with the mittens already on it, so no mittens are being packed in this bag. No mittens. It comes built onto the sleeper. Use it. Next one is this preemie? Yes. This one also says little sister, and this is a preemie size. So just for comparison, this is the preemie size, and this is the newborn size. Your baby gonna come scrunched up. Yeah, your baby's gonna be scrunched up a lot. So the preemie size, if they're under 7 pounds when they come out, you're gonna need that. Typically my babies are about 6.1 ounce, 6 ounces. Those were my two sizes of my two boys. The girl, I don't know what size she is right now, but according to the apps and things like that, she's about 6 or 7 pounds right now between that size. So by the time she come out, she might be in the preemies and she might be in the newborns. I don't know, but I'm taking both. I have a little hat here. Might wear it, might not wear it. My son didn't like the hats, so might not. And this is just gonna be her in the hospital little, it's like a sleep sack type thing. But this is just a little preemie outfit. I think it's so cute. So stinking cute. And this also gives good and easy access to pull up, change them, put it back down, you know. And it comes with a little hat. This is so cute. I feel like if they decide they want to take pictures, I'm not sure. I know with my second son, they didn't even offer pictures at the hospital I went to with him, so I'm not sure about this one. But if they decide to take pictures, then this will be a perfect little outfit to take pictures in, because it's already a matching little set. That's cute. Like I said, they do give you those very thick white, blue, and red receiving blankets, and your baby will be wrapped in that to begin with. You know, when they first come out, they're going to throw that blanket on them if you don't provide them with one. But I have this very large swaddler blanket blanket. It's very thin, nice, and malleable. So this will be perfect to swaddle my baby in. I love swaddling babies. So I'm going to be taking this one just to keep her in when I decide to swaddle her at night or what have you. When she's just sleeping around, I will have my own swaddle blanket. I have some syringes to collect colostrum if I start pumping, and if it's not full bottles, then I can just collect in here, and this is going to hold the milk until she's ready to drink it. Whatever I do pump, I can store them inside of these little syringes and feed them to her when she's ready. So I have a pack of these. I bought this in a box. I want to say it was like 100 of these in there. I used them for my son, and now I'm going to take the remaining and use it for her. My son now, he does not use any type of pacifiers, no type of digits. He didn't soothe like that at all. I don't know what his soothing was, but now he's 14 months. Go to sleep. But he did not take pacifiers, so I had pacifiers left over from him, and I'm going to try this with this one and see if it works. If not, don't take it either, honey. I ain't gonna fight you over it. But I still have some Nook pacifiers that have the little flat piece right here, and it's shaped like this. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I'm just gonna try that. And I do believe that the hospital will give you some to try out too. They typically give you the round Advent ones, I do believe, like that look like bottle nipples. But yeah, my kids didn't take pacifiers, so I really ain't suspecting for her to take it either. But I'll have it just in case. And that's all I have in her bag. Clothes and a couple blankets. They will provide you with the diapers and the wipes. Do not take your diapers and wipes to that hospital. Don't. Do not. You're going to get billed for diapers and wipes, whether you bring your own or you take theirs. Take theirs. Okay? Pack this bag back up. If you have stuck with me to the end of this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Leave some suggestions of if I missed anything down in the comment section. And subscribe to the channel, you guys. I'm still trying to crank out content. I'm trying my best. I did retwist my hair. I was sick when I did my retwist, y'all, and was unable to record it. I was literally sitting on the chair, snot nose, throat itching, twisting my hair up. Sat outside to get some fresh air, twisting my hair up. So I do have a fresh style now, but this is still the same hair from that mini twist video. All I did was go through and retwisted some of these twists in the front and the back. I think I have maybe just like the middle portion that I did not touch. I really don't care about it, honestly. Honestly. And my hair has been in this style for about 4 weeks now. Probably about a month now. So it looks really good and it's still going strong. So if you guys want to see how I installed these from the beginning, I'm going to leave that up in the corner somewhere. Also down in the description bar so you guys can check out that video. This is now the end of this video. I'm so tired. As I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.